Let your mind rest easy when you're laying in your bed, as our conversations still running through your head. We've got big decisions, yeah, they're staring in our face. And I didn't know just how to say. Oh. But if I'm headed out, I'll be holding on. 'Cause I kinda love can take the miles. Oh, and there's no distance now that could break that tie. I'll be holding on to you till the day I die. If we're across this country, or we're half a world away, or we've always known we'd have to roll with every change. And if the next door that opens takes you to another place, send me a postcard and I'll be dreaming of your face. Oh, if you're headed out, I'll be holding on. 'Cause I kinda love can take the miles. Oh, there's no distance now that could break that tie. I'll be holding on to you till the day I die. Even if the sun goes down right when yours is coming up, it won't set on our love. When we're forgiveness, oh, I won't let it go. Help my eyes see grace poured out from heaven's throne, and mercy, oh, I can't let it be. Keep my heart wide open as you cover me. Thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all. Your presence, how I found my home, hearing your heartbeat again. Oh, shame is gone. Your guidance is showing me to see. Reside my heart in openness. You've covered me. And thank you, Jesus, you speak to me and call me clean. Thank you, Jesus, you bring me back to your heartbeat, and I can feel you around me, and heaven is not far from here at all, at all. Season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am not alone. In every season, you have brought me back home, and you surround me. Forgiven, I am feel you around me. How I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me. Oh, how I feel you around me. How you surround me, forgiven I am not alone.
The sun's coming up. We're chasing the magic. I'm diving in, oh I won't look back. It's a beautiful